Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinku Foodies. Looking for a quick and healthy snack? Today we are making banana oatmeal cookies. They are vegan, gluten-free, naturally sweetened with banana and raisins and packed with wholesome ingredients. Easy to make, perfect for snacking, breakfast or a lunchbox treat. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started.
Into a blender, add 1/3 cup almonds, 3/4 cup oats, and 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Blend well till everything is nicely combined and this mixture turns into a fine powder. Keep this aside for now. Add 1 large banana to a medium-sized bowl. Mash it well into a puree. Now add in the flour mixture along with 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix everything together to form a soft cookie dough. Next, fold in 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds and 1/4 cup raisins. Give it a one final mix. Using an ice cream scoop, place equal portions of the cookie dough onto a baking tray. Now wrap a piece of parchment paper around a measuring cup and gently flatten each cookie. This little trick prevents the dough from sticking. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Once baked, allow them to cool for some time. These banana oatmeal cookies are great for snacking, especially for busy days. They are rich in fiber, packed with clean and nourishing ingredients. Just pair them with a cup of chai and enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are looking for a quick and healthy treat to go along with your chai or coffee, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.